In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Unmatched Ego multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As long as you have an active internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, you will be able to play Unmatched Ego multiplayer. So when you open the game, you can head over into these settings if you would like to customize some of the options like the resolution, the HUD, and so on. But if all you want to do is play right away, just tap on play and then online versus. Play 3v3 online with friends or with random players. When you tap this option, you will be able to set up your nickname, choose the server, and then set up a room. So you can join a public room. If you don't care about playing with friends, just tap on quick play or join public room. Or alternatively, you join a private room. So you can use a room code. Whoever is going to be hosting will need to create the room. And now, once they are inside, the room code will appear over here at the top where I'm tapping. So, in this example, the room code is 3607. So, I can go ahead and choose my team. So, from my friend's perspective, they would go over to play online versus, and in here, they would type the room code that I sent them. Then, once they had the room code typed out, they would choose join private room, and they would join that room that I created. Now, of course, in this case, I'm not able to showcase how it looks because I don't have a friend or another cell phone with me at the moment, but it is simple to do, very intuitive. So all of you can go ahead, choose the teams, and once you join, you are ready to play Unmatched Ego multiplayer. So you can set up a room with friends, or if you just want to play online with other people, just tap the option to join a public room or select quick play. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.